Hi everybody, Spencer from Hush Holsters here, showing off the new SKS Mini 14 style folding stock. We're going to start a pre-order very shortly, so just to show you what you would be getting. Obviously we're going to make this in wood, also a nylon, but basically fold this down, comes out. It's a drop-in, so there's no modification required to the rifle. It takes duckbill or standard magazines. It does hold the cleaning rod and the bayonet. I don't know how it will work with shorter barrel lengths as far as the bayonet, but we can test it. Still plenty of room. This works with all the Mini 14 Ruger folding stock parts currently. Again, it's just drop in. It can be fired from the folded position, and it locks in the closed position. To open it, you just go like that, pull this down, and push this button up. So we're going to start taking pre-orders very shortly. We are not sure if Ruger will sell us this assembly and us to just make the stock. So we will be talking to them about it. If they say no, we will be manufacturing our own that is very similar, but uses different kinds of parts that look a little bit more Soviet. So yeah, I'll just give you a better look at this right here. Those will match up a little bit better in the final product. But again, it's drop in. That matches up there. So get on to the pre-order. We're going to be holding that for, I think, between $250 and $300. Obviously, this is a new product. We're going to have to manufacture it from scratch, so it's going to be a little more expensive. But we're going to set up a pre-order sometime in the next couple of days. Check our website for that and get a hold of your own. So thanks.